All right, guys, so this is going to be the Truefree O1s. I'm hoping that this is going to be the closest competitor to something like the Powerbeats Pro. This is just an unboxing, so we're going to get right into the meat and potatoes, but this was a product offered to me by Truefree. This is a sample that they provided for testing purposes. So without further ado, let's get into the actual review itself. And when I say review, I just mean unboxing. This is a pretty small box, so if you guys were to buy this, this is the size of a coffee mug. That's not really a great way to put it, but essentially we'll look at it when it gets out of the box, but it's a very compact box. It doesn't look really all that much of substance, meaning I think we're going to be okay. Wow, so this is really fun. So I recommend getting a screwdriver, guys, if you guys are going to do this, because this front part clearly has a good amount of packaging to it. So here we go. So when we get it out of the box, we can see on the back we have some instructions, basically some frequency response information, playtime, version, just some basic stuff. I will say this is probably pretty insignificant. So we have our cool little presentation. In my opinion, Truefree is kind of a brand that's a little bit kind of up and coming. So we're going to see if these things can actually stay true to their name and actually be a good product here. So this is the actual box the headphones are in, I'm assuming. So when we open this, we're going to be revealed with the headphones. Oh, no kidding. So this is the Powerbeats Pros. We're going to put them right here. So that's, for example, this is the Truefree. These are the Powerbeats Pro. So when we get these out of the box, we can see exactly what we're looking at here. Ooh, wow, this is a girthy case. So I got some references here for you guys. This is going to be great. This is actually really fun. So this is the Truefree headphones, and then this is the Powerbeats Pro. This is the Beats Fit Pro, and then somewhere around here, I got a wireless mouse. So you guys can see the example. So Beats Fit Pro is probably one of the smallest headphones that I have. Powerbeats Pro, Truefree, and then a wireless mouse. So in the actual boxing, we're going to put this away for a second. In the boxing itself, we can see that we have just some basic stuff. It looks like we also have a little, at the top here was like this little packaging. This is going to be mainly, in my opinion, for the other stuff that people use with the headphones. I'm assuming there's a charger in here. So let's see exactly what we got. Let's see, you guys are seeing it the same way I see it. So we have a charger cable in there. Looks like it's USB Type-C, so that's really nice. For those of you who get the iPhone 15 or have MacBooks already, you'll be actually able to charge these with your USB stuff. And then we have a manual. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I don't usually read these unless the headphones are hard to use. And that's kind of a red flag in itself. And then the reason why you guys are all here is let's see what these suckers look like. So we have this little plastic packaging around the entire headphones. This is pretty normal for headphones, and then we can take it off, similar to when you take off an iPhone's packaging. And we can actually see Truefree. I actually, not gonna lie, I really like the feel of this case. Super light, very lightweight, definitely much lighter than the Powerbeats Pro. We're going to compare these to the Powerbeats Pro just because when we compare it to something very small like the Beats Fit Pro, I've noticed that it's hard to kind of relate to that and see the difference. So we're going to do Powerbeats Pro, Truefree. So this is bigger, taller, higher. Truefree is going to be wider. Truefree is very light. Powerbeats Pro, I mean, I wouldn't say it's like a huge difference, but it's kind of noticeable. This just feels like a feather. And then when we open this, I'm assuming it opens like AirPods and Powerbeats. Yep, so we opened it just like that. And then we're gonna put the Powerbeats away because we wanna kind of focus on this. So as you guys can see, I basically just opened it just like this. And then we have the headphones right there. These are gonna be the closest in form factor and design as the Powerbeats Pros. And initially we can see that when we have the Powerbeats Pro open, that's what they look like. So before we move on, this is what the Powerbeats Pro look like on the right. Powerbeats Pro, Truefree. Powerbeats Pro, Truefree. Best way to distinguish them right now is going to be that the Powerbeats Pro have this like obtrusive ear thing coming out of the case, whereas the Truefree looks like it's tucked away much better. So far, very similar. We have our reset button here, reset button here. This looks like an awesome kind of takeoff on the Powerbeats Pro. We also have a charger here, which is USB Type-C, and then we also have a charger here, which is also going to be, this is not USB Type-C, that's Lightning. So if you guys are looking for a headphone that is an around the ear earbud, this, from what I'm understanding, actually goes around your ear for exercise purposes, but the review will be coming soon. We also have, looks like this is really a competitor of the Powerbeats Pro, our charging indication right here, and then we also have our charging indication on the Powerbeats as well right here. That's not the charging indication. That actually tells you when they're on, low battery, high battery, or when you're resetting them. But overall, guys, these are the Truefree headphones, and let's give you guys an example exactly what they look like. Let's see, how do you take these suckers out? So these are wild looking. They're a little different than what I'm used to, so it does look like it's kind of a different form factor. From what I'm understanding, this part goes into your ear right here, and then this part goes around your ear and sticks to the back of your ear like a hearing aid. So the best way to look at this is it is like a hearing aid. I'm trying to keep this in focus for you guys. And so it looks like we have our drivers right there. That looks like it's for audio, obviously. And then it looks like we have our light right here. I think that's telling me it's ready to pair. And then it looks like we have a microphone right here. So light for ready to pair, microphone, something. We're going to figure that out later. And then it's a very low key, looks like there's some sort of something right here. I think that might be the logo. So overall, very low key looks and design. We have a logo right here, which is fairly prominent and fairly hard to see actually. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's actually fairly hard to, it's fairly hard to see because it's black and that's kind of an off black. So it's like, it blends in, very stylish look. So anyways, guys, these are the Truefree O1s. These are the wireless earbuds. These are a very different design, closest in form factor to the Powerbeats Pro. And just so we all know, these actually do have the magnetic approach as well, since the Powerbeats Pro have this. So basically both these headphones will snap into place just like that with a magnet. So when you put them in there, they look like this. So this is going to be the Truefree O1 headphones. And then over here, it looks like, I'm not sure, well, that's just left and right. Kind of appreciate that, except for, I feel like it's obvious, but if you can't tell your lefts and right, this would be the best bet. So these are the Truefree O1 headphones, guys. These are wireless earbuds, 45 hours of playtime, dual mic for noise cancellation, and 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers. Review will be coming within the next week or so, and I'll be going over what I like, what I don't like, and if I recommend these. See you guys next time.